Good morning baggers, and welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on it. You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you chose to be here with me. I appreciate that. So I'm out with the bike, got it all ready to go. Did just a little modification. Took some of those stupid damn reflectors off the forks because they look stupid. And I just got to get rid of those ones, which you can get some inserts. Now, one of the missions I'm doing today, I'm heading to Vic Roads to get my personalised plates put on. I've tried to get Gilde number plates, but they are taken, unfortunately. Be good for Gilde baggers, but these are my old Gilde's plates anyway, so all good. We're going to head down there. They open at 8:30. I want to get there early. Well, I thought it was going to be a simple task, but as I've just pulled the old number plate off just to check what's happening with it, I've noticed that they've had extra holes drilled into it. So what that means is that I need to drill some extra holes into my number plate. Fantastic, you bastards.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Got to put the old number plate back on so I can actually get down there without getting booked. Alright, well, we are finally there. The time is 8:28. I wanted to be there at 8:30, but it happens. A couple of little extra things that needed to get done, which is all good. I'd rather have them done than be mucking around down there at Vic Roads, mucking around here instead, dropping gloves, all that sort of. For me, Vic Roads is only a 10-minute ride down the road. I was going to give you guys a nice little cruise down our scenic road, but I gotta go. I'm going to talk a little bit. One day I'm going to do a review on that quad lock. There's probably heaps of them out there, but that thing is the best phone holder that I have come across for the money. I mean, phone holders are expensive as they are. I was actually shocked. You know, you go into any motorbike store and you know, you're looking just for a universal one, looking at around about $129, so just depends on where you're at. I mean, it was funny that Harley Heaven had, which is where I bought the bike from, had phone holders in there for $70, and I thought even that was steep, considering I bought one for my push bike. I bought one for around about $9 on the old interwebs. Come from China, but hey, it does the job. Just keeping the Chinese economy flourishing. So the quad lock, it was the best $70 I've spent, including the backing for on my phone, so I cannot complain one little bit about that. And the thing is absolutely sturdy as FC UK, I tell you, it is amazing. Beautiful Friday morning. I don't start work until 12 today, which is so good. Got up early without an alarm. We get up around about 6:15 to 6:30 every morning. It's no good on weekends when all you want to do is just have a little sleep in, but it's all part and parcel of doing shift work. I work long hours, so it's just how it is. Just hoping that when I get down there to Vic Roads, then it doesn't take me too long, because I don't really want to be sitting around there for too long. Usually you get all your old that go down there to pay their registration because they don't understand that you can pay these things online these days. Oh my, the post office. You can pay bills at the post office now, which means every old goes in there to pay their bill. I mean, that's fantastic. But when you actually need to go to the post office and post a letter, you can't. Because there's 10 old ducks in there trying to pay their bills. And then you go, well, hey, it's going to take me 20 minutes just to post one flipping thing. I'm going to have to come back another time. And then it costs you $37 to send a half a kilo parcel over to America. I mean, come on, fair go. But that's another rant for another day. Vic Roads, off we go. Vic Roads, are you gonna be kind to me, baby? Here we go, we're singing, and no you're not. No you're not being kind to me, can't sign it. Hopefully these are just the employees' cars. Oh, now I'm gonna have to back up this hill. Oh, I'm gonna go over there. To get into my driveway, I have to back into a hill, and mate, it is a pain in the fajoots, I tell you. So any chance where I don't have to back this heavy beast of a thing up a hill, I'll take it. Alright, now being a government building, I am 100% sure that I'm not going to be able to film in there, so I am sorry, but tough teeters how it is. I'll see you shortly with a new number plate on my bike.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know?
And voila, they are done. Looking sharp. Now I just got to get rid of this yucky thing and some clear indicators, and we'll be looking sharp. All right. Well, that was not painful at all. I walked in, I pressed the button for a ticket, sat down. There was about 3 people in there. 2 of them were together doing a license test. And then, as I sat down, the woman said, RN001, and then, sure enough, up I go to get it all sorted. Number plate is on and fixed. You got to do that in the yard at Vic Roads. That's why I did everything all before I got down there. So then it's just a straight matter. Boom, 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 boom. Now I am legal. The thing is, where I live here in the state of Victoria, they are super tight with everything like that, registrations and whatnot, and the fines are absolutely exorbitant. Also, what we have is these vans that are on the side of the road that have like a little camera hanging out the back of it. They're very obvious, but there's usually a few police officers around at the same time. And what that does is it records your number plate. So if you owe any money to the government through fines, if you owe anything through registration, if your vehicle's unregistered, even if you're the owner of that vehicle, the driver is unlicensed, they will pull you in straight away to check that you're not the driver. So they're very strict on that. Also, I don't know if this is like this around the world, but there are, in our cop cars, they have this little device that reads number plates as they drive past. So you're just cruising along in the opposite direction and a cop drives past, it'll go blip, 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 blip. It'll say this vehicle is unregistered, or the driver of this vehicle is unlicensed.
waves a big red flag, and if the cop chooses to go pick you up, he will, and more than likely they do, because that's easy pickings. So it's one of those things you've just got to be very careful. Cross your T's, dot your I's, all that stuff. Alright everyone, that was a lovely ride, and thank you so very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Cheers!